he joined the last rites of the departed soul, that is Waجپئی ji, as he had a very special position in not only in the country, international level, but he had a very special position in the hearts of people of Jammu and Kashmir, especially that of People's Democratic Party. But a very good tenure when he was holding the office of Prime Minister of India. It is during his tenure only India and Pakistan on the table for talks. It was he who initiated talks within and outside the country. Though there were definite problems within, and he had a lot of resistance in doing so, but he resisted all that and went ahead. So we, as party, hold a very special position for him. We were actually very shocked for his departure from us, and we had come to participate in the last rites to show the solidarity with him, with his family, and all the people who were associated with him. That's why we were in Delhi today.